Welcome to another tutorial from Moho Simple Rig, Flow, where animation meets clarity, creativity, and community.
What if I told you that you could design a clean, professional-looking character in under 5 minutes, without needing to draw a single line? Today, I'll walk you through a simple trick using free tools that gets the job done fast. Step 1. Install Inkscape, free. Head over to the official Inkscape website and download the software. It's completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once installed, open it up and get ready for the magic. Step 2. Generate a character with AI. Use any free AI image generator like Copilot, ChatGPT with image tools, or Google's ImageFX. Type in a prompt describing your ideal character, example, friendly cartoon teacher, or futuristic robot with a cape. Download the image once you're happy with the result. Step 3. Import and trace in Inkscape. Open Inkscape and import the character image you just downloaded. With the image selected, go to Path, Trace Bitmap. Choose the black and white option for a clean vector outline. Click OK, and voila, your character is now a scalable vector you can edit, animate, or export. Step 4. Use a difference to cut off part of the image. Now that your character is traced and editable, let's remove any unwanted part using a simple shape and the Path Difference tool. Here's how. Create a new shape, example, a rectangle or circle, using the shape tools in the left toolbar. Position the shape so it covers the part of the character you want to cut off. 1. Select the Paint Bucket tool from the left toolbar. 2. Click inside each closed shape or section of your character to fill it with color. 3. You can adjust the fill color from the palette or use custom colors from the fill and stroke panel. Take your time to color each part, clothing, skin, accessories, until your character looks just right. Step 6. Export to Moho as a PSD file. Once your character is fully colored. 1. Go to File, Save As. 2. Choose Photoshop.psd as the file format. 3. Save your file with a clear name. 4. Open Moho and import the PSD file to start rigging or animating. Import each layer separately using script. If you're using Moho and prefer to import each layer individually for better control and animation flexibility, you can do this using a custom script. Note, if you're not familiar with this method, I've covered it in detail in another video. How to import PSD files into Moho using script. Make sure to check it out before continuing. Once imported, you'll be able to rig, animate, and fine-tune each layer with precision, perfect for modular character workflows. And that's it. You've now imported your PSD layers into Moho, ready for animation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials on character creation, rigging, and multilingual resource design. Got questions or need help with your own workflow? Drop a comment, I'm here to support you. All links and resources mentioned are available in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to my other channel, Moho Simple Rig, where I'll be bringing every character from this series to life through animation.